loving us all, never feeling lonely. B is for beneficent, kind beyond measure. He gives us gifts, our greatest treasure. C is for creator of skies and seas, mountain stars and buzzing bees. E is for the friend that's strong and near. He protects us all, we have no fear. E is for eternal, he lives forever, changing not, never ending, never. F is for forgiving, so full of grace, he wipes our sins without a trace. G is for generous, always giving, helping us all to keep on living. H is for healer, curing no pain, sending down help like gentle rain. I is for infinite, beyond all bound, his mercy and love are all around. J is for just, fair in all ways, rewarding truth and honest praise. K is for kind, so gentle and sweet, guiding our hearts, making them beat. L is for loving, pure and true, his love is big for me and you. L is for merciful, fury and yen, even when we slip now and then. N is for nourishing, giving us fruit, fruits, water, and every good. O is for a nation, knows all things, every dog and bird that sings. P is for protector, day and night, watching all who we're holding might. Q is for quickener, who gives us breath, he breathes life, and even there. I is for resurrector, risen the dead, on the day of truth, just like he stayed. I wish for Shabbat, no one let him, no twist, no fate. T is the true, the only true way, guiding me straight every day. Who is for unity, moonlight he, wine only, eternally. V is for victorious, he always wins, helping the good, lending them tears. W is for wise in all he does, everything perfect just because. X is for garment, mighty and grand. X is for exalted, high and grand. X is for exalted, high and grand. Above the sky, the sea, the land. Y is for yielding to none, he's strong. With him beside, we all belong. Z is for zealous, in justice he stands, balancing mercy with mighty hands. So remember these names, both big and small. They teach us that Allah cares for all, he's close to you and always near, loving, kind, and full of cheer.